Koja.
So where are you, Jeff?
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah. Tell me where you're at and who you're with.
We're at the movies. Cerritos Mall. The newest movie came out, The Proposal. Are you having fun? Do you like the movie? Me too. It's really funny.
Can't do this.
I have to tell you something. I really like you.
Jeff, close your leg. We have to like cut that part out.
You like me too?